In 2025, the biggest problem for small fashion brands was finding reliable manufacturers who prioritize high-volume orders, leaving startups and small brands in the cold. Designers already work with brands and provide a window to the manufacturing side of things, helping small brands connect with proven factories. This referral-led sourcing helps increase efficiency and reduce production delay by as much as 25%. Having worked with multiple brands, designers have deep insights into success factors, which is why this approach is becoming a standard practice among new fashion startups across the US, UK, UAE, and other regions worldwide. India is emerging as a preferred destination for apparel exports to small brands and startups. Within this landscape, No Name has emerged as a trusted manufacturing partner for emerging brands seeking sustainable clothing with flexible order quantities, transparent costing, and predictable production timelines. Designers do not manufacture garments, but they help shape smarter sourcing decisions by sharing real-world insights gained through brand collaborations. So this shift is actually helping early-stage brands avoid costly mistakes and, build more resilient brands. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.